Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of April. This is quite an interesting month because we have a full moon on the 28th of March. This full moon is all about emotions, relationships, good relationships. The ones that are meant to be will strengthen. The ones that are not meant to be will go out, but all the emotions will come to the fore. Let's see what the cards have for you. Shuffle one more time. If you like what I do, Capricorns, do subscribe to my channel, become a part of the family, support this channel in any way you can. I'll really appreciate it. Let's see what this month has for you. So, good. It's Queen of Wands and Queen of Pentacles. So, you're in a good place, Capricorn, as far as I feel, when it comes to work, when it comes to a position that you hold. And there's a lot of forward movement from the start of this month, I feel. There's a lot of, let me clarify the Chariot, what the forward movement is all about for Capricorn. So forward movement is about the position you are stuck in. There's an offer which is coming, there's communication which is coming, there was something that you were stuck in, you were not very happy about. Let me clarify the Queen of Wands. There is definitely communication, love, offer, or an offer of job coming. Sorry, I have too many cards. I looked it. Queen of Wands. Let me clarify the Queen of Wands for you. What is the Queen of Wands? There's a little regret. There is probably some about a relationship, but I think, like I told you, I think this theme will change this month, Capricorn. The offer will come, because the person sees you. If you say there are a lot of queens, there's a lot of feminine energy. Maybe you are influenced by a lot of feminine energy around you, or they are influenced by a lot of feminine energy. But I feel that whosoever is influencing them has had influenced them negatively about you in the past, will now be changed to a positive communication offer this month. Let me clarify the Queen of Pentacles for you. But I feel they or you are quite influenced by the feminine energy. Yeah. So somebody was holding back and somebody got hurt because of this feminine energy, and there was a tower moment which happened in the past, or which will happen this month. If it has not happened till now, forgive me. But let's see, because things will change. Things will definitely, Chariot and Ace of Cups is here, so things are bound to change. Eight of Pentacles, means a lot of communication. I think all this is because somebody was influencing them. I feel Tower moment clarify. Yeah, they withheld their communication, and they were not very. They see there's a third party. There's a lot of women in this person's life, or there's a lot of feminine energy around them, which influence your relationship. It could be a third party situation where they couldn't offer you something, which I think will change this month slowly, slowly. Let me see what the theme of the month is apart from this. Let me know, Lord, whether they will come back. Let me know. Don't mind my dog. He likes to talk when I speak. Justice and judgment coming together, the Emperor energy coming in. So I feel that this person will, the justice will be done. There was quite of somebody was influencing them against you, or you were getting influenced by somebody. But I think judgment and justice coming together, the right will be done this month. The stable energy of Emperor is will be coming towards you. The Chariot shows. Let me see what the love messages are for you, Capricorn. I want to cut this deck because I don't want to use the same card again and again. You know, when you shuffle, there are times when the same card comes. So I want to be completely unbiased and let the universe give you the right messages is the intention here. Yes, nicely shuffled cards. Okay. So this says that, okay, the forward movement now means that this person was not being honest, or is still influenced by these people. So the universe is telling you to create space for new love, Capricorn. When a thing hurts your eyes, stop looking at it. When it hurts your ears, stop listening to it. And when it hurts your heart, stop justifying it. So stop justifying this person's actions. And I think the Emperor is the new person in your life. I didn't want to say it because I wasn't sure, and now I'm sure this is a new person. The justice means you'll get the person you deserve. You've got time, so don't hurry up for love. You've got time, Capricorn. Ever wonder what would make life's fleeting pain and sorrow totally and unquestionably worth it? How about living forever, wildly in love and love wildly? So you've got time. So there's forever to love. You're not running out of time. Even if you have to wait for this person to come your way, just wait, because justice ultimately will be done, and this person will come who isn't somebody who's influenced by this feminine energy around them. There's a deeper reason for each of your questions. Seek it. The great thing about feeling deep, profound, earth-shaking love is that you can start with anyone. So again, same message for you, Capricorn. You can start this love with anyone. You don't need somebody who gets easily influenced by the outer forces, not thinking about your emotions. I don't think you need this kind of energy around you. So um, let me also shuffle this deck. This is a different deck from the universe. Let me see what all universe wants to tell you. So you definitely will have new love. It's shouting. The cards are shouting this message. I honor how I want to feel. I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again. I choose love now. So you're fearful of new love. You're fearful of getting out of this relationship because you thought you maybe won't be able to love again, or this person made you feel very good at some point of time because it was Ace of Cups and you feel you won't be able to. But it says that you will get it again. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. So yeah, so you need to be conscious of the fact that um, you will get love again, and you chose fear, and that's how you stayed in the relationship, because you've thought that, oh, this is what I know, and familiarity is always very comfortable, right? So I think you need to get out of this and let love find you again, maybe in more stable way, maybe in more truer sense, something which is from the universe. Let's see how you can handle this situation, Capricorn. How can you handle the situation? How can Capricorn handle the situation? So you need to purify. It has come along with honor. What I feel, you need to purify your thoughts and emotions. Let go of the hurt. Let go of the bitterness. Let go of the expectations. Just leave it to the universe to. If you're really, really wanting this particular person to come back to you, even then you need to let go. Letting go will get you the right thing and at the right time. Don't force it. You've got time. Remember, you've got time. Don't force it. Don't say I need it now. Just say that this is what I need, universe, and trust that the universe will guide you and give it to you. This is all I have for you this month. Do subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. I would really appreciate it, and I'll meet you next month. Bye bye.